Hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about a new cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain with the name AURO Finance. This cryptocurrency is helping the Arctic environment and is protecting the polar bears. With that being said, let's get right in the video. Okay, so getting onto their website, they can see that they are protecting the Arctic environment. They believe it is the duty to not only help raise awareness about global warming, but also take serious helpful measure to alleviate its effects, ultimately triggering a change in the right direction. This cryptocurrency is a charity token. We can see that there are 450 plus members. The initial number was 235 billion tokens and the market cap being $191,000. Breaking down the tokenomics, there's a 2% fee going to the community contribution wallet to help the bid for the cause. There's a 2% distribution and there's 6% going into the liquidity. If you scroll down, you can see step by step on how to buy the AURO token. I'm going to show you guys right now. So firstly, all you guys need to do is click on their link over here. So by AURO, it will redirect you on Pancake swap. After that, just put in BNB. So how much BNB you want. So for AURO, make sure slippage tolerance is somewhere between 11 and 14%, and just click on swap, confirm this swap. So I just got a error over there. I'm just going to increase the slippage tolerance, put it on 12%. 12% works fine. MetaMask will give me a notification. Just click on confirm. Getting onto the roadmap, so relaunch a new contract, new website launch, new light paper release, contract audit, Rory sticker v2 release, rolling marketing promos, growth, merge store launch, donation to Saving the Arctic, exchange listing, platform integration, limited edition NFT drops and giveaway and competition, and expansion, staking mechanism, public endorsement, secret project announcement, AMA, and community outreach, technical use case exploration, and strong marketing push. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group as well as following them on Twitter, where they're posting everything that's been going on with the token. You can also check the BSC Scan. As I said before, there are 450 plus members. 476 to be exact, and the maximum amount holder owns is 5%. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one.